So this is an interesting question. A variable circle with diameter AB, where A is 3, 0 is touching the circle x square plus y square is equal to 36 internally. The locus of the center of the variable circle is a conic whose eccentricity is E. 72 E square is being asked. So let us clearly it's a coordinate geometry question. Let us try to understand this question using a diagram. So there is a circle of clearly radius 6 units, right? X square plus y square is equal to 36. Now there is a point 3, 0. Now it seems that there is a circle with AB as diameter, and the circle is touching the bigger circle internally, and you are asked to find the locus of the center of the circle. So now let h comma k be the center of the circle. That means because A is the diameter, B point will be like this. So we are given that these two circles are touching each other, right? So this is how the diagram looks like. Clear? Now we know that actually the circle need not touch the given circle at the end point of the diameter. We have just it's just said that the AB is the diameter, right? So let us say that they are touching each other. Okay, this circle and this circle are touching each other at some point. Now we know that the center of the circle, the center of the second circle and this touching point will be collinear. That's a theorem that we have. So the center of the circle, so let us call this h comma k. The center of the original circle, which is 0, 0, and the point of contact of these two circles are on the same line. And we know that if two circles are touching internally, D is equal to R1 minus R2. So the distance, let us call it OC. OC is equal to bigger radius minus smaller radius. That's the concept. So you can clearly see that OC is equal to bigger radius is 6, right? Minus the smaller radius can be thought of as the length AC here, because A is a point on the circle, C is the center of the circle. So clearly OC plus AC is equal to 6. That means C is the center of the circle. The sum of distances of C from O and A is equal to 6. This clearly shows that the locus of C is an ellipse. Locus of C is an ellipse because SP plus S dash P is equal to constant. We know that this constant is nothing but 2A, right? This constant is nothing but 2A. And clearly O and A are the foci, right? O and A are the foci, whose distance is equal to 2AE. So 2AE is equal to distance of OA is clearly equal to 3. So 2AE is equal to 3 and 2A is equal to 6, which implies E is equal to half, which implies E square is equal to 1 by 4. So 72 E square will turn out to be 18. So this question has been asked very cleverly. So if you can see this concept, there is no need for calculations. Otherwise, if you try to expand it, there will be a lot of calculations.